Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am putting a quilt together that was gifted to me unfinished. Kathy sent me a quilt top that was started. Here is the beginning of the quilt, and here are the little pieces that need to be joined to complete this quilt top. It also came with some extra fabric, which I probably will not be using for this quilt top, but it was a fun challenge to get all of these pieces into a quilt. It's a fairly simple pattern using 4 patches, some half square triangles, and some squares, and they all measure 4.5 inches. This quilt pattern is called Milky Way, and it is really easy to find if you look it up on the internet. There are many ways to put this quilt together. The block is also in Barbara Brackman's Encyclopedia of Quilt Blocks, and rather than making a complete star, you have to add a few more pieces around that star to get these stars in the quilt to alternate the way they are right now. I am piecing this quilt into rows, but if you were to make blocks, they would need to look something like this so that the stars would alternate in the quilt. This quilt did come with a pattern. Kathy sent the pattern along with it, and to keep track of my rows, I took 2 little post-it notes and I placed them on the top and the bottom of the row so that I could kind of see where I was at as I moved along. I typically enjoy making scrap quilts with a lot of different fabrics. This quilt, as you can see, only has 3 fabrics, but it's very striking, and I think it also would be really fun to use some different colors for those stars. And if you do some looking around, you'll see some quilts that did that. One really nice thing about finishing a quilt for someone else is that all of the decisions have been made. The fabric has been cut, and in this case, some of the pieces had already been put together. So it was really peaceful work to put this together. I will say, working in rows like this, I did need to keep track, so I did need to keep my thinking cap on as I put my rows together. Once I had all of the rows complete, I sat down at my sewing machine and I pinned the seams. I pinned every other seam or every other block. The squares and half square triangles, the 4 patches were put together really well with the 1/4-inch seam, so things came together really well as I put these rows together. I want to thank Kathy for sending me this unfinished quilt. It gave me some peaceful sewing time, and I'll be donating this to the charity quilt drive at my local quilting guild, and it will be quilted and given away. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.